What's going on, guys? Just getting some last minute workouts before like the final lockdown. I'm so sick of this nonsense that we're just locking down. Yeah, just getting one final workout in, and then it'll be such it's for 30 days, like Ontario, Canada. Like, what is going on with this right now? Like, I don't know what's going on, but hey, just trying to get it in real quick, and yeah, it'll be a good time. Today is like, I'm recording this on Easter Day, really last minute, but I'm really loving the weather this morning. It's freaking beautiful and the sun is out. Working on 75 hard. Today's day 35 or something like that. I can't remember what day it is, but holy moly, like it's been crazy. And you know, like the market has been really like kind of going steady, going slowly, going up. I gotta check out what's going on. I bought some, so I bought like about $50 in Ethereum. But I bought some of that, and so it's up to like about $81 now. So had initial investment about $70, so it's about $81 now. Pretty good. I want to see where that goes. I don't want to pour too much money into Ethereum, but I would like to at least try to get one Ethereum, which is like 2,500 for one of those. It's just like, it's up there. So not my top priority at the moment, but the market over itself, like HIVE has been really good. I bought it at a really low point. It says right here average. I have about 31 shares of HIVE, and I bought in about like $4.17. It's about close to $5 now, which again, like a $25 gain, which is really good. I didn't really add anything else to like the portfolio. I just bought, I sold out and I bought into Air Canada, just because I heard some really good news about Air Canada. So like at least kind of, I'm gonna hang on to it for maybe a little bit longer. Gonna sell out a little bit afterwards to try to get rid of it, so that way I can buy some of my real can. It pays dividends, so like right now, like I think the strategy I want to be switching it over to is like more into like the dividend side. I bought some standard lithium, which is more like electric kind of like company. I looked at it, I'm like, oh, it's not too bad, but again, like I think I'm switching like the game plan to over about more dividend payout based. So yeah, so I'm gonna look at a lot of research on that, and then so really kind of focusing on dividend growth, because eventually like it does kind of compound itself, and then on top of like me adding more money into it. So RioCan was a really good one. Index funds, so another one I was gonna add into was where is it? So it is called the ticker sign is HMMU, right? HMMU is actually a really good one. It's about $12.27. It pays about like 5.07% dividends, so it's actually pretty good. I'm gonna link it. I'm gonna show you guys all this as well too. But yeah, really good ones I want to aim for. Yeah, only because like I don't see the value in terms of like stocks that doesn't really pay you much, right? It doesn't pay you any dividends at all. I see a lot of value in like dividend paying stocks where they give you money and such, right, every so often, so that way you can actually grow, you can compound really quickly. It's really important to kind of grow and build that portfolio up, right? And on top of that, that capital gain is great as well too, because like you're holding it for long term, so you know, you don't really plan to sell out. But yeah, Air Canada, I'm just hoping for it to go a little bit back up. I'm probably gonna sell out of it. I could see it go up even higher, but eventually I don't really know if it ever would pay a dividend or anything. But I'll probably hang on to it for like maybe next couple months. It'll, at least in the summer when it kind of leaves and such, like near like September or such, because like that's when I heard like they're allowing flights now. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, it's a short little update today, guys. Like I just wanted to share with you guys that little kind of tidbit, really short and sweet. Again, like it's just been so busy. I didn't even post a video last week just because like I've been really busy. I've been working, so I don't want to really half-ass these kind of videos. I really want to take the time and see what's going on and share with you guys what's going on. I'm really aiming to get back in shape as well too, trying to get fit again. So it's crazy. Ontario has another lockdown, so it's been not too fun with that, and so just kind of out here doing my thing and seeing what's going on. So I don't know, guys. Hope you guys stay healthy, strong, do your best and grow. As we see you guys later. Have yourself a good one. Take care. Oh, and remember to subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, don't forget about that. I'll see you guys later.